Welcome to another episode of What the Metal. Today we go to a Tampa area beach and go on a super realistic hunt where everything goes wrong. I'm also going to give you information on how a beach reacts to a major storm surge after this last hurricane, when they revet the beach by placing more sand on top. So stay tuned, it'll be some good information, and we'll get right to it after a word from our sponsors. And thank you to our sponsor, Nomad Link, who installs top quality audio, electrical systems, and custom modifications. Contact them now for making your van life dreams come true. Las Vegas, Portland, or doorstep service. Just got started here. I'm going to go ahead and film this. Piece of wire. Oh, I saw it. It's a nut. Just showing iron again. You get some water right off the bat. Uh-oh. Tell you already, my little fix on my shaft didn't work. See the rust. Might be digging with half a shovel today. Hear it. Thick as that. I don't think it's a coin. It was coming up as minus 14. Well, we'll find out. We'll call that potentially worthy of the first thing going in the box today.
So you went down really deep with that.
Yeah. Well, the bad part's about metal detecting is it's all about picking up the trash on the beach. Aluminum will fool you because it sounds like it's good metal.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Hope you find something good.
Thank you.
What's the best thing you've ever found?
But I found something right over here. I have no idea what it is. And I won't until I soak it. You know, it looks like the size of a penny, but it comes up as iron.
Huh.
So it doesn't come up as copper or zinc or whatever.
Huh.
But
Where to find it?
soak it in some vinegar for a few days and it'll reveal itself, whatever it is.
Clean it up. It's either junk or...
Yeah, I mean, either way, it's interesting just to wait and see what the heck, because it could be something good.
You never know.
You never know. Thank you. Visual find on that. That would have hurt. T-rash. Top of a soda can. All right, we got to get out of the junk. Weather's been nice last week or so. And the water's way more Florida blue out there. You can see where the silt is. But this morning when I came in, or midday, that wasn't there, so it's starting to get a little windier. Yep. The heck is that? It's a pole. We got something huge here. Just like I suspected. It's crazy. That's the end of it right there. And it's still going over here. Alright, let's see what we got. Some kind of iron. Saw something. Ugh. Nail. Got a nail off the beach. Excuse me, screw. Alright, this looks to be pretty shallow, so see if we can shake it out. Make it faster in the end. Maybe. I think I saw it. Yep. There it is. Crusty penny memorial bat. Still wondering what this is. If you look, you know, I don't know what it is. We're gonna give this one a couple scoops. Oh, what do I got there? Sea noodles.
ladies and gentlemen. It's going to cost me a new shaft because this one's done. Piece of trap. Yep. Broken up, guys. Hate to see it. But it took me a couple years to break that, but when I do it again, I will not get the travel one. This just happened to come with the original scoop that I bought, which broke itself. So anyway, just sucked to dig today. It's under a bunch of junk, is what it is. Oh no. It's a tire again. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's definitely a tire. Steel belted radial. Alright, we'll go ahead and try this. It's giving me really solid over here. Yeah, there it is. Another tire. It's crazy. All right, we got 29 right here in the surf. I think we got it. Oh yeah. Had to get one. So crushing. Digging this big giant hole. I don't know for why at this point. My broken shovel. Alright, so after all that, it's still like a foot down there, and it's a big piece of metal. And it's probably aluminum from somebody's roof or something like that. But that just shows you. I mean, it's right there, but it's so huge I can't get it out of there. I'd be digging that hole for an hour. It's crazy. Okay, while I'm walking in, let's talk about this disaster of a hunt, and then let's talk about storm surge effects on the beaches. I'll throw up a few slides to show the effects of storm surge, and then you will understand why we were digging the depths we were. Okay, during this last storm, we obviously had hurricane force winds that were blowing onshore, so out in the ocean to land. That created a water surge level of anywhere from 6 to 8 feet in low-lying areas, beaches, etc., versus the normal sea level. So as it builds up out in the ocean and that storm surge hits the beach, it literally strips the top of the beach of all of its loose sand. Once the surge dissipates, it will literally backflush and pull back debris, etc., back towards the ocean. Once beach revetment starts, they take all of the sand that got shot out into the street and put it back on the beach, in addition to storage areas they use to hold sand throughout the year. That way they return the sand height level back to as close to the original as possible. So the whole point of all this is basically the beach got stripped, renourished, and we were digging things that were left from hurricane debris anywhere from 1 to 3 feet deep on that beach. Okay, here we are at the wrap up. I'm hoping everybody got some worthwhile information on why the beach was like it was, where I was having to dig so deep. But anyway, disaster of a hunt overall, but this is how it goes sometimes, guys. Bunch of aluminum. That's crazy. The one things I did keep out of people's feet: a piece of glass. That was a visual find. That one I actually put in the video. I can't remember if I put this in the video or not, but we kept a rusty screw out of somebody's foot. Couldn't find the video to it. It was over right when I was leaving, but 1974 quarter, Eagleback, crusty penny, memorial back. You saw the nut. And we kept it out for suspense. I'll put the picture up of what it looked like before it went into a vinegar soak for over a week. And here's what it was. Nothing but a washer. So anyway, I'll keep that. I don't know, it's pretty much worn out, but that could be used as emergency washer. That can go in my nut and bolt bin. So anyway, thanks for watching, people. Please give this a thumbs up, comment below, and we'll see you soon. I'm gonna be in Miami for a week. I'm gonna try to hunt every single day, so should be some good videos coming out. Peace.